that big truck?
Huh?
That big old pickup?
No, it's not a car. Oh, you gotta get a picture of that one.
Oh,
That was halfway up the car.
damn.
Yeah, this guy sucks. Part of their car beside their car.
Yeah, there's one person in there still.
I know. Hope that bitch is still running.
Damn, you know that's deep when he's fucking plowing like that.
Yeah, I know. Did you hear him honk at us?
He honked?
He honked like we were holding him up. Like we were horrible. Like, I'll see you in the ditch, bud.
Yeah, suck
you know
a
what I
dick.
mean? Like, I'll call the metro for you. Hope you don't die. Fucking idiots.
Yeah. I'm gonna piss next to your door so you slip and fall.
Yeah, that'd be hilarious. They're gonna pee on me. What the hell? What the hell?
Be like that episode of Joe Dirt. I got the poo on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, they gone.
I gotta quit laughing. I start going too fast.
That's a rumble strip.
Is it?
I feel like it.
Nah, I'm going back later.
I see a car on the other side. Where's the headlight?
Truck.
Where's the headlight? Oh, there it is. 8 times zoomed in, I can see an outline.